You're in Northwestern, where you took your PhD, and you need to explain mercantilism to the class. How close is America to a mercantilist belief that Madame Lagarde has to deal with?
You know, I don't think that's really what we're dealing with. I think we're dealing with a focus on protection of intellectual property rights. This is largely an argument.
Then why are we going after steel and aluminum?
I think, actually we've exempted like 55% of our imports here. I think this is all an effort to try to get a conversation going, and I'm encouraged by the sounds that there is a discussion going on behind the scenes, because I think tariffs are a clumsy way to deal with this issue. And that's why the markets are scared, because it reminds them of trade wars in the past that turn out badly for everybody. But I think if this focuses us more on finding some resolution on intellectual property rights,
right,
that's the main issue. That's the beef the U.S. has with China. And by the way, that's been a complaint our business community has been talking about for a long time. People say, when you go there, you find your stuff copied and it shows up somewhere else. I think the business community everywhere has been worried about this. So I don't think people are going to see this as a reason to hold back and be cautious. I think they feel like this may actually move things forward.
Okay, in minutes we're going to go into this conversation with Madame Lagarde. I want to know if JPMorgan and the Combine there, whether it's Jim Glassman flying around the nation talking to JPMorgan clients, or it's Bruce Kasman and Michael Feroli in the shop, are you guys marking down Make America Great GDP numbers because of all this trade stuff?
Not really. I mean, it's a concern. People are worried about where it could go. But frankly, I think the U.S. economy is in great shape. Inflation's low. That's giving the Fed the ability to go slowly. Our partners are all reviving, and that means it's helping the developed economies to move. So we're pretty bullish about the performance of the economy over the next several years. There's a lot of stimulus in the pipeline here. The question is, can we handle it? Do we have the capacity to grow faster? I think so.